Okay, let's start by making a German 6 chord. And oops, we're going to go G sharp and a B, because I need to do that B in the second voice. Okay, so there's our flat 6, sharp 4. Now let's put our flat 3, or sorry, our flat 3 that we need for the German one right there as that F, and then our 1 that we need there. So let's see if that checks out. So remember, for the German, we have it right here. We need flat 6, sharp 4, 1, and flat 3. So in the key of D, flat 6 is going to be B flat, sharp 4 is going to be G sharp, 1 is going to be D, and flat 3 is going to be F. F is already flat in the key of D minor. We don't need to flat it again. Okay. So now we know that the resolution needs to be the first part of the resolution needs to be the same. So we need to resolve that augmented 6 out. Okay, oops. Man, these voices drive me insane. Okay, so our augmented 6 resolves out. In all three, it's going to resolve outward like that. That's just what we wanted to do. That's the whole point of these chords. It's to get us to 5 in this really kind of slick way. The flat 3, we're going to keep on flat 3. It's the easiest way to do this. And tonic, we're going to keep on tonic. So check it out. We have, let's do our labeling here. Here we have German 6. To 5. So 5 is going to be A. Actually, what we've resolved it to here is a little bit different. Because I was like, wait, where's my C sharp? That's right. I remember what I did now. So, what do we have here? We have D, F, A with an A in the bass. What is that? That is our cadential 6/4. So German 6 chord, really common to resolve to a cadential 6/4. Oops. Six, 4, 5, 3. Which means in order to really resolve it, we need one more step, right? Let's keep this 5 down there. And let's keep this 5 up there. And then we're going to take that F down to an E. And we're going to take that D down to a C sharp. So most common resolution of the German is into a 5, 6, 4, 5, 3 cadential 6/4 resolution, right? So let's hear that. Boom, right? And then we get to a tonic eventually. That's just a really rich sound, right? It's very nice. So, resolution of German 6 chord into a cadential 6/4.